Imagine standing at a crossroads, the weight of a life-changing decision pressing down on your shoulders. The clock is ticking, and every path ahead is shrouded in uncertainty. What if I told you that the difference between success and regret lies in just 12 critical thinking skills? Skills that can sharpen your mind, cut through the noise, and guide you to the right choice fast. In this video, we're not just talking about theories, we're diving into actionable strategies that will transform the way you think, decide, and act. Ready to unlock the secrets to making smarter decisions in record time? Let's get started. Your future self will thank you. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to make sound decisions quickly is more valuable than ever. Whether you're navigating your career, managing personal relationships, or tackling complex problems, critical thinking is the cornerstone of effective decision-making. Critical thinking allows you to analyze situations, evaluate information, and make informed choices that lead to better outcomes. But what exactly is critical thinking, and how can you develop it? In this video, we'll explore 12 critical thinking skills that can help you improve your decision-making abilities fast. By mastering these skills, you'll be better equipped to tackle challenges, avoid common cognitive pitfalls, and make decisions with confidence. 1. Analysis: breaking down complex problems. Analysis is the foundation of critical thinking. It involves breaking down complex problems or situations into smaller, more manageable parts. By dissecting a problem, you can better understand its components and identify the root causes of an issue. Here's how to improve your analysis skills. Practice breaking down large tasks or problems into smaller steps. Use tools like mind maps or flowcharts to visualize relationships between different elements. Ask questions like, what are the key factors at play here, or what is the underlying issue? For example, if you're deciding whether to accept a new job offer, analyze factors such as salary, career growth opportunities, company culture, and work-life balance. By examining each component separately, you can make a more informed decision. 2. Evaluation: assessing the quality of information. Not all information is created equal. Evaluation involves assessing the credibility, relevance, and reliability of the information you're using to make decisions. In an age of information overload, this skill is crucial for avoiding misinformation and making well-informed choices. How to improve your evaluation skills? Check the source of information. Is it reputable and unbiased? Look for evidence or data to support claims. Be wary of confirmation bias, seeking out information that supports your pre-existing beliefs. For instance, if you're researching a new investment opportunity, evaluate the credibility of the sources providing financial data. Are they backed by solid evidence, or are they speculative? 3. Inference: drawing logical conclusions. Inference is the ability to draw logical conclusions based on the information available. It involves connecting the dots between facts, observations, and evidence to arrive at a well-reasoned decision. How to improve your inference skills? Practice identifying patterns and trends in data. Ask yourself, what does this information imply, or what conclusions can I reasonably draw? Avoid jumping to conclusions without sufficient evidence. For example, if sales are declining in your business, you might infer that changes in customer preferences or increased competition are contributing factors. This inference can guide your next steps. 4. Problem solving: finding effective solutions. Problem solving is the ability to identify solutions to challenges or obstacles. It requires creativity, resourcefulness, and a willingness to explore multiple options before settling on the best course of action. How to improve your problem-solving skills? Brainstorm multiple solutions to a problem before deciding on one. Consider the pros and cons of each option. Test your solutions on a small scale before fully committing. For instance, if you're struggling to meet a project deadline, you might solve the problem by delegating tasks, adjusting the timeline, or reallocating resources. 5. Open-mindedness: considering different perspectives. Open-mindedness is the willingness to consider different viewpoints and perspectives, even if they challenge your own beliefs. This skill is essential for making balanced and fair decisions. How to improve your open-mindedness? Actively seek out diverse opinions and perspectives. Listen without judgment and try to understand others' reasoning. Be willing to change your mind if presented with compelling evidence. For example, if you're debating a controversial topic, take the time to listen to opposing arguments. You might gain new insights that influence your decision. 6. Reflection, learning from past decisions. Reflection involves looking back on your decisions and evaluating their outcomes. By analyzing what worked and what didn't, you can learn from your experiences and make better decisions in the future. How to improve your reflection skills? Regularly review your decisions and their results. Ask yourself, what did I do well, and what could I have done differently? Keep a journal to track your thought processes and outcomes. For instance, if a project didn't go as planned, reflect on the decisions you made along the way and identify areas for improvement. 7. Curiosity, asking the right questions. Curiosity drives critical thinking by encouraging you to ask questions and seek out new information. It helps you dig deeper into issues and uncover insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. How to improve your curiosity? Cultivate a habit of asking why, how, and what if questions. Explore topics outside your comfort zone to broaden your knowledge. Stay informed about current events and trends in your field. For example, if you're launching a new product, ask questions like, what do customers really want, or how can we differentiate ourselves from competitors? 8. Logical reasoning, avoiding fallacies. Logical reasoning involves using clear, rational thinking to make decisions. It requires you to avoid common logical fallacies, such as hasty generalizations, false dilemmas, and ad hominem attacks. How to improve your logical reasoning skills? Study common logical fallacies and learn to recognize them. Practice constructing logical arguments and identifying flaws in others' reasoning. Use frameworks like deductive and inductive reasoning to structure your thinking. For instance, if someone argues that a policy is bad because a disliked person supports it, recognize this as an ad hominem fallacy and focus on the policy's merits instead. 9. Creativity, thinking outside the box. Creativity is the ability to generate new ideas and approaches to problems. It allows you to think outside the box and come up with innovative solutions that others might overlook. How to improve your creativity? Engage in activities that stimulate your imagination, such as brainstorming or mind mapping. Challenge assumptions and consider unconventional solutions. Collaborate with others to generate diverse ideas. For example, if you're struggling to attract customers, a creative solution might involve launching a viral marketing campaign or partnering with influencers. 10. Emotional intelligence, managing emotions and decision-making. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize and manage your emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It plays a crucial role in decision-making by helping you stay calm, focused, and objective. How to improve your emotional intelligence? Practice self-awareness by identifying your emotional triggers. Develop empathy by considering how your decisions affect others. Use techniques like deep breathing or mindfulness to stay calm under pressure. For instance, if you're feeling stressed about a major decision, take a moment to calm your emotions before proceeding. 11. Prioritization, focusing on what matters most. Prioritization involves identifying the most important factors or tasks and focusing your efforts on them. It helps you avoid getting overwhelmed by irrelevant details and ensures that your decisions align with your goals. How to improve your prioritization skills? Use tools like the Eisenhower Matrix to categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Set clear goals and align your decisions with them. Learn to say no to distractions or low-priority tasks. For example, if you're managing multiple projects, prioritize the ones that have the greatest impact on your objectives. 12. Adaptability, adjusting to new information. Adaptability is the ability to adjust your thinking and decisions in response to new information or changing circumstances. It's essential for navigating uncertainty and making effective decisions in dynamic environments. How to improve your adaptability? Stay informed about changes in your industry or field. Be willing to revise your decisions when new evidence emerges. Develop a growth mindset and embrace challenges as opportunities to learn. For instance, if market conditions shift unexpectedly, adapt your business strategy to stay competitive. Now that you're familiar with these 12 critical thinking skills, how can you apply them to make better decisions faster? Here's a simple framework to guide you. Define the problem, clearly articulate the issue or decision you're facing. Gather information, collect relevant data, and consider multiple perspectives. Analyze and evaluate, break down the problem and assess the quality of your information. Generate options, brainstorm potential solutions or courses of action. Weigh pros and cons, evaluate the advantages and disadvantages of each option. Make a decision, choose the best option based on your analysis. Reflect and adapt, review the outcome of your decision and adjust as needed. By following this framework and honing your critical thinking skills, you'll be able to make faster, more effective decisions in any situation. In conclusion, critical thinking is not just a skill, it's a mindset. By developing these 12 critical thinking skills, you'll be better equipped to navigate the complexities of life and work. Remember, decision-making is a process, and like any skill, it improves with practice. Start small, apply these skills to everyday decisions, and watch as your confidence and competence grow. In a world where the stakes are high and the pace is relentless, the ability to think critically and make sound decisions quickly is a superpower. Cultivate it, and you'll be unstoppable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.